JavaScript has got a huge ecosystem of libraries, and these libraries help in building pretty much anything. Building UI. React is my favorite library. It's a JavaScript library which is easy to use and help in building rich UIs. Web API development. Express.js is a great framework which helps in building web APIs pretty easy. TensorFlow, Brain.js are some of the libraries that helps in doing data processing and machine learning. Chart.js, my favorite visualization library, helps in building cool charts with and has got lots of different chart types like bar, pie chart, and line chart, and many more. Databases. If you are interacting with SQL or Mongo, NoSQL databases, there are libraries for you. Mongoose, which is one of my favorite libraries, helps interacting with MongoDB. There are many more libraries to do game development as well as desktop application.